My name is Emma Ryan and I am a PE MYP teacher and also the Department Head of Health and Physical Education at Keystone Academy. In this lesson you're going to see grade 10 students performing a movement analysis on gymnastics movements, in particular different types of jumps. The ATTL we're going to be looking at today is critical thinking, and more specifically gathering and organising information to formulate an argument.
So today we're going to look at what information you can use to help you choose the jumps to put into your routine. So last lesson we watched the video called Quality and Control, and there were 4 different things to quality and control. And it's these 4 different characteristics that we're going to use to help us justify why we should or should not include a certain movement.
We're going to be pulling apart what makes a good jump and how do we know if our movement has quality and control. After they have analysed a video of someone performing with quality and controlled movements, they will create their own rubric, which they will eventually use to assess their own ability to perform a jump. So just go through and just highlight when you're watching your video where you think you are on your rubric. Once they have created their rubric, they will analyse their own performance in a jump and critically evaluate how well they have performed each part of the quality and control of the movement.
So as we can see from the video, I wasn't very stable after I landed. Slightly shifted a little bit and my upper and lower body doesn't really maintain a good balance. Also, the shape is not very strong and does not demonstrate a tightness, a balance, a stillness, or maintain a focus.
You can see that my upper body is not moving, and also I raise up my arms to the up to the head to make sure I'm in a strong shape in the movement.
In PE, we use critical thinking skills to analyse a range of different movement concepts. Critical thinking skills in PE are also used in more dynamic environments as well. So in a game analysis, students need to be able to break down the game into smaller parts and into smaller movement concepts, and then analyse each smaller individual part as well. We also believe that these are skills that we can use in other subjects and other areas of life as well, whether we're analysing a text, whether we're analysing different situations. The fundamental skills of critical thinking are the same.